Today we're fixing possibly the worst part of the Alfa Romeo Giulia. So the number one complaint about Alfa Romeos are the reliability. The number two complaint is the low quality interior, and we can tell that it uses a lot of black plastics that don't really have the most aesthetic touch to them. Kind of cheapens the look of everything. Now, a lot of people will overlay carbon bits on these interior pieces. However, I really enjoy the metal aluminum accents of these paddles, and so I am going to try and match these interior pieces to the overall silver aluminum trim that we have here on the interior, here, everywhere. So to start, we're going to clean these interior trim pieces, make sure there's no dust, debris, stains, or anything on it, like this, and then we'll move on to the next step. You get one of your interior trim pieces. It's gonna have 3M tape on the back. Do a test fit to make sure it fits right. We're gonna take off the red tape and then hit it a bit with the heat gun just so that the adhesive can stick perfectly to the surface. And when you're done, it should fit perfectly like this. The adhesive should stick perfectly to the surface and it looks beautiful now. So I'm gonna save us some time and do all of the trim and come back to you guys when it's all done. And we are all done, guys. Take a look at how well these trim pieces tie in the interior together. We're gonna quickly go over all the interior pieces that I've added. Keep in mind, all of the pieces will be linked in the description below. To start us off, I added these metal dials that go over the controls in the Giulia, which before they were plastic, now they're metal, and it has a little bit of a better feel to them when you touch them. Also, I added these trim pieces here that are supposed to mimic the paddles on this car. I added that here as well. Keep in mind, they are not metal. These are actually coated plastic, so you have to be very careful if you're going to use a heat gun on them. Also, we added the same trim pieces to the window regulators over here, to the switch box here that controls your lights, along with these climate control vents, which add a little bit of a Ferrari-ish look to them. Now, when I ordered all of these pieces, I did order the climate vent piece here that's supposed to match all of this. However, it went out of stock and I tried all of these different places to buy it and nobody has it. So whenever I'm able to find the piece here to match all of this, I'm gonna do so, but for now, I'm just gonna leave it. I also don't know how I feel about this cover right here specifically. I thought this was gonna be the same finish as this, but as you can tell, it isn't really the same exact finish. And so it doesn't add the best look in my opinion, but I'm not mad at it right now. Overall, it just really upgrades the whole entire look of the interior. Now, if you think that this is gonna work well with your Giulia or Stelvio, I'm gonna link all of the products down below, so check it out. If you guys like it, then go and purchase it. That's it for this video, guys. Subscribe, and until next video, we're out.